Oh, back to being fully assembled. See what it looks like all painted up. Most expensive part of the job was the EGR tube. You can kind of see it there. That's where it bolts in. $100 for this piece. Because it twisted right there coming out of the manifold. And $100 was a cheap price. I got a discount through an employee. Otherwise it would have been $150 dealer item. Alright, so this is going to be the first attempt to start it. So good. Motor's jumping around a little bit, but don't seem to be too bad. Now it's just to bring it up to operating temperature and pray that that intake gasket sealed. Got no service engine lights. Oil pressure's fine. Temperature thermostat hasn't opened up yet. Put a new thermostat into a fail-safe. It was almost $15, but I trust that fail-safe before I trust the one that jam up. A little smoke off of it. But burning some paint up. Oil still. Alright, this is it. Fairly easy to repair with basic garage tools that are laying all over the floor.